Organic chemistry questions NECTA 2023. Let's solve this question. This is question number 1, multiple choice question. The question is stated that the organic compounds marked A and B reacted together to form compound C, as shown in the equation. We have compound A react with compound B to form compound C. What are the names of compounds A, B, and C? So we're supposed to find the correct answers from these multiple choices. So you have to understand the IUPAC names of these compounds. You have this one. This is from alcohol. Means you have to understand the IUPAC names of alcohol, and this one is from carboxylic acid. So you have to know the IUPAC names of carboxylic acid, and this one is ester. So let's start with compound A. What is the name of compound A? Compound A, this is from alcohol. How to name this compound? You have to start with this part with carbon. We have carbon 1, 2. If we have two carbons, this will be ethanol. This will be ethanol. If we have 3 carbon, will be propanol. So for 2 carbon will be ethanol. So compound A, this is ethanol. And compound B, this is carboxylic acid. Let's start with the number of carbon. We have 1, 2. We have only 2 carbons. If it's 2 carbon, also will be ethanoic acid. We add oic. It will be ethanoic acid. And this one, this is ester. This is ester. How to name? We have 2 parts. We have this part and we have this part. We start with this part. This is ethyl group. This is from alkyl group. Due to the presence of 2 carbon, 1, 2, it will be ethyl. This will be ethanoate. This is from carboxylic acid. It will be ethanoate. So the name is ethyl ethanoate. So the correct answer for this question was D. So we have ethanol, ethanoic acid, and ethyl ethanoate. Thank you.